Hello, this is Eric at Print Short Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package and powered by a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. You have vinyl flooring throughout the vehicle. You have two cup holders, a 12-volt power outlet, and a USB and USB-C. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen to cycle through your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. And then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view, again, your hazards and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls, simple but easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Then moving down, you have this cubby with another USB and USB-C. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, pretty deep cubby area here, and then your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, a ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.